y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey. Hey y'all, this your girl Tiana. I can only be me, and now I'm coming back at you guys. I'm about to show you how I make my homemade macaroni and cheese. Now this is a quick, easy, delicious, and cheesy macaroni and cheese. So if you are new to my channel, you guys, welcome, and if you are an old subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Now if you are new, please comment down below and let me know that you have subscribed to your girl channel, okay? And that's all you gotta say, because I just want to welcome each and every one of you guys to my channel. So with that being said, y'all, come on, let me show you how to make this homemade, delicious, scrumptious, oh so good macaroni and cheese you ain't never had, honey. It's so good it'll make you want to slap somebody and call the police on them. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm gonna start y'all out from the beginning so you'll know what I'm doing. Okay, so I got my vegetable oil, and the reason why I'm adding some vegetable oil to this, about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, is because that keeps your noodles from sticking together. Now y'all, I'm one of the ones that use any kind of noodles, and this one right here finna be a quick, lazy man, homemade macaroni and cheese. Okay, all right. So don't talk about me because I'm using this box, cause honey, I'll show you how to get with that box, honey, and make it taste like something that you never tasted before. Okay, so I'm gonna add that oil to that, and then I'm gonna add me some salt. The salt is gonna season up the noodles just a little bit. That was about what? I'm gonna say that's about a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of chicken seasoning. Okay, tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and that makes the chicken like a chicken broth for the noodles. Okay, y'all, so now this water is boiling, right? Okay, so take this bad boy, turn it down to about medium real quick, and I'm gonna use this sauce pack. Oh yes, I am. Okay, so I'm the one, I like to use different kind of shells and mixed shells, don't matter, all of them is a shell. Okay, so this is the shells. Then I got some elbows and some rotini mixed up in here, so just a little bit of both of them, I guess. I don't know, whatever fall in this pot. So probably about another cup of those. Okay, and then I'm gonna get that. That feel like it ain't enough, child. Let me see. About a cup and a half more, child. I don't know how to cook small, y'all. Okay, so a cup and a half more of that. All right, so that's about what, 3 cups of noodles, all mixed up kind. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn this thing back up a little bit more and let this get to boiling. You don't want them to get too soft. We're gonna take this and put it in the oven once we get it all mixed up together. Okay, so hold on. So make sure you keep a constant stir on your noodles, because you do not want them to just stick together. Okay, so make sure that you stir occasionally by every 2-3 minutes. Just come in and give them a good stir. Make sure they ain't sticking to the bottom of the pot or sticking together, and just put your lid back on them and just do that until they're done. But you want to cook them until they are tender but not mushy. So let me see, they've been going for about 3 minutes now. So yeah, about 3 minutes. So I'll let y'all know how long. Okay, y'all, so now look, it's gonna be real quick. So I'm gonna take about, let's see, that was 2 tablespoons. About 3 tablespoons, y'all, of oil. I know I poured them in there, but I could eyeball and tell how much it is. Okay. Then I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of self-rising flour. Okay, 1/4 cup. Okay, so we're gonna get us a roux going with this. Get us a roux going. We ain't trying to brown it or nothing, but this is gonna be the thickener. Just to thicken it. But I'm cooking this to cook that, turn it down on medium. To cook that flour taste out of it. Okay? So now, some people don't like to do that, but I do. Okay? So, now I'm about to take some milk and add that to it. Each one of these is half pint. Now we're gonna make it 3 half pints. Whatever 3 half pints is, that's how much milk I added. Okay, so now y'all, I got a half a block of Monterey Jack and Kobe cheese, and I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna add it to this sauce, to this milk, okay? And this gonna make the sauce. So you can shred it, do it however you want to do it. Just add it on in there. I'm just using whatever kind of cheese I got in this house because I just had this cheese, and to keep it from going bad, I'm using it. And then this right here is just plain Monterey Jack cheese, okay? So I'm adding this cheese. All right. So then I'm gonna get that a good mix around. We're gonna get this melted good, okay? So then I'm gonna take this cheese right here. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Told y'all we're gonna use it. This cheese here, and we're gonna add this right on in here. Yes, we is. Add it right on in there. Squeeze all of it in there. And this gonna make our cheese sauce, y'all. Yes, the cheese sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a good mix and just keep stirring this consistently until you get all your cheese melted. So hold on one second. I got some monster cheese too I'm gonna add to this. I'm just trying to use up all this cheese that I have in this kitchen instead of letting it go bad, okay? So I'm gonna add this cheese to it too. And I only got about 5 slices of it, okay? So, okay, now to this cheese sauce, I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of black pepper and about a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, that's it. And look, just keep mixing that on up, and y'all, look how that cheese sauce just coming along. Y'all look at it. Ooh, child. Y'all, this here gonna be good, good, good. Yes, honey. So, this is pretty much melted. And I'll be right back because I gotta get much macaroni in the pan, okay? I'm just gonna spray this pan with some canola spray. Whatever kind of spray that you got, just spray your pan. Put some butter in it, some grease, whatever. It don't even matter. Okay? So now look. I'm gonna get my macaroni on in here. I done drained it. But one pan is gonna be too much for my husband and I. So I'm gonna make me 2 pans and freeze the other one. Yes, you can freeze macaroni and cheese, y'all. Okay? So they still hot. Ooh, child. Okay. Do it look even. And get a little bit more of this. Put it over here. Okay. So now to this, I'm just gonna add about a tablespoon of butter to each one. Okay? And mix that on up. Okay. So now get that butter mixed all in them noodles and things. Yes. And it make it look all nice and shiny. Okay. Dang, I forgot the other thing behind y'all. I'll get in just a minute. Okay. So now we got that, right? So now this good old delicious and luscious and good and cheesy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cheese sauce, y'all. We about to get this and pour it right on over this macaroni. Both of them. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Ooh, y'all. Hold on, man overboard. It's on the stove. The stove is clean. It's alright. Let me get my macaroni. Ooh, y'all, that macaroni look good. Y'all, look at that. Okay. Let me get the rest of my cheese. Pour it over that one. Get the rest of it. Pour it in here. Okay, so mix that on up. Now, mayonnaise. I like to add mayonnaise to mine because it makes it, give it moisture to it. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon and a half to each one, okay, of mayonnaise. Okay, so mix that mayonnaise up in there. And yes, you can add an egg to this, y'all. But I'm not even finna add an egg today. It'll be a-okay, honey. It's still gonna be good. But that mayonnaise, it makes it moist, y'all. I'm telling you. Oh, child. You ain't never had it with mayonnaise in it. Honey, you is sleeping on the mayonnaise. Okay? Child, this pan by time to, for me to retire this one here. Okay? So, yes, look at that, y'all. Okay. This one got a little bit more cheese sauce to it, but it's okay, because guess what? This the one I'm going to freeze. So, when I get ready to cook it, it'll have a little bit extra, you know, cheese sauce to it. So, when I get ready to bake it, it won't be dry. Okay? So, now, that's it for that spoon there. So now I got me some Marble Jack cheese. You can take you some cheddar cheese, whatever kind of cheese you want to take, and just put it on top of them bad boys. Yes, honey. More cheese. Cheese, 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 and more cheese. Okay? So now, that's that for the macaroni, y'all. Yes, honey. Look at that. Woo, child. Did I do that or did I do that? So y'all, I ain't never put the black pepper on top of it, but I'm finna to today. Just being a little extra. Seeing what other folks be putting this up here for. I'm gonna see what it do. Okay? So my oven on 375, I'm finna stick this on in the oven. I'm gonna put both of them in there and let them cook, okay? And when I get ready to do this other macaroni, I really don't have to let this cook, but I'm gonna cook it because I never made macaroni and put it in the freezer and didn't cook it. But I had it in the freezer while it was already cooked, took it out, and it was good. So I'm just gonna go ahead on the cook it because I don't want it to go wrong nowhere, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I took the macaroni and cheese out of the oven, and this is what it's looking like. Oh, delicious. Yes, yes, yes. And this is the other pan of it. Yes, y'all. So I want to thank each and every one of you guys for watching my video. I hope you learned something about how to make some macaroni and cheese. Until next time, this is your girl T. I'm not gonna be me. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Please do not forget to thumb up and leave a comment down below and let me know what y'all think if y'all try this recipe. Alright, y'all. Peace, love, and happiness to each and every one of you guys. Be blessed. And stay tuned for pictures.